3, Unit 0, Numbers. So, page 10, exercise 1, 2 and 3. So, the first exercise, we're going to be focusing on the numbers 1 to 10. So we just need to get the students to listen and to repeat the numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we can go to exercise 2 and we can use our structure. Okay, so our structure today is, how old are you now? I'm 8 years old. Okay, so this structure, they can practice the numbers. Okay, then once they're confident with this question and answer, they can then move on to exercise 3, let's talk. Now this is a more freer practice, and you can allow the students to work in their partners to ask them, how old are you? I'm 8 years old. I'm 9 years old. So this lesson, we're going to be focusing on the first 8 letters of the alphabet. So exercise 1, you just get to listen and repeat the first 8 letters of the alphabet. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Then, once the students have practiced the letters, they can then have a look at some words that start with that letter. So exercise 2, listen, point to the picture and repeat. Okay, so in exercise 2 we have some pictures of things that start with each letter. So ant, boy, duck, egg, frog, hippo. And when the students are comfortable with those words, you can then move on to exercise 3. Listen and match. Now here we have 6 pictures underneath, and we have some words with just the target letter missing. So the students need to match to the right picture and also write the target letter to complete those words. You can go around the class and help the students with this activity as it's a more freer practice. Exercises 4, 5 and 6. This lesson we're going to focus on the next 8 letters of the alphabet. I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. Okay. Once the students have practiced those letters, you can then move on to exercise 5. Listen, point and repeat. So here the students can point to a picture and they can say the word. And each picture starts with a letter of one of the target letters. So insect, jug, king, lemon, octopus, queen. Some of the words will have the other letters in them as well, like lemon has L, M and N, and octopus has an O and a P in it. When the students have mastered that, you can then move on to exercise 6. Order the letters. So again, they can have a look at some of these pictures again, and they just need to reorder the letters to make the words from the pictures. So one example is done for us already, jug. Okay, so in this freer practice, students can work with their partners to rearrange the letters for the other 5 pictures. Exercises 7, 8 and 9. In this lesson, we're going to be focusing on the next 8 letters of the alphabet. R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Once you've done this listen and repeat with the letters, you can then move on to exercise 8. Listen and point. Repeat. So here, the students can listen and they can point to the right picture. Okay? Now each picture is a word that starts with the target letters from above. So sun, tiger, van, box, yellow, zebra. Some of the words have 2 of the letters in them. So yellow starts with a Y, ends in a W. Tiger starts with a T, ends in an R. once the students are comfortable with those words, you can then move on to a more freer practice. So exercise 9, you listen and repeat, and then you ask and answer a question about these pictures. So the target question is, how do you spell sun? S-U-N. Now you can repeat this with all of the 5 pictures here. Have the students work together in partners in a freer practice to ask this question. How do you spell van? How do you spell yellow? This exercise is all about getting the students to practice saying the different letters, okay? Lots of different letters. That is the end of this lesson.